Spectre Alert Vans. Sit on, I think 63 Candela. If that's not true, that's okay. We're gonna go check the other ones. Here's the Spectre Alert Advance, and that's a horn, flush mounted too far on the wall. That's places allowed. Here's a one on the back box, and down here we got a BG12L right here. That's cool. Here we got some weird smoke detector or whatever that is. And we also got a speaker system that runs through this building and ends up to these two speakers and the rest over in that area. So let's go back to the hallway. Here we'll go back. Here's that same one again. We're going to the main doors of this place. There's one on the back box again. And there's a Firelight BG12 over there. And there's also one right there. Thanks for watching.